Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your Feng Shui Guru and Paranormal Expert. Horoscope, Gemini, May 21 to June 20. Today is Friday, May 24, 2024. Our horoscope for today goes around camaraderie. If you are to build yourself, you are to build friends. But of course, you must know that these friends will not backbite you or give you pain if and when you have done something to retain and remain with your friends. Not that you don't want to be of a negative person to them, but also you have to be with good people, giving you good examples or giving you good vibes and something that you will be happy about when you read them. Ang ating horoscope po ng araw na ito, panahon ng Gemini, 24 ng Mayo, araw ng Biyernes, may kinalaman sa pakikipagsamahan. Ang camaraderie kasi ay tinatawag na magtulungan tayo, magbigayan tayo, na magiging backbone or hindi lang moral support, kung hindi spiritual support natin. At kung kailangan natin nga ang ating kapwa-tao, kailangan natin din pakisamahan sila. At hindi natin sila bibigyan ng sama ng loob. Gayon din sa parte natin, kailangan nating pag-ingatan ang ating mga sarili sa mga peking kaibigan na maaaring ipahamak tayo.